Okay, I guess I am not streaming on TikTok today. I guess I was suspended for a little bit. Again. So, oh well, no TikTok, no TikTok stream today. I like that. Let me go ahead and delete this then. I don't need that. Stop virtual camera, do this, do that, yada yada. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome in. Good morning, good morning. Friday today, 3-day weekend ahead of us. What is today? Today is Easy Friday or Wild Card Friday? What do we do? What do we do? Bro, TikTok is a piece of crap, man. TikTok is lame. Yassine, good morning. Chicago, Tamimi, Fashawn, Rodrigo, James, Farsar, Justin, Rome, Jessica, J Hard. J Hard, dang, you got like dead last this morning, J Hard. What's going on, bro? Morning, Easy Money. Morning, another day, another dollar. Really Ahmad, Easy Money. Morning, everybody on Tradecaster, Diddy, Amy Young, Arjun Trader, Zach, Brian. What's up? What's up? Hey, you guys tuning in real quick. So quickly, yesterday I finished the stream. I don't even remember what I was up on the stream. Like 600 bucks when I finished the stream. I think I made one last call yesterday on Tesla before I got off. Like literally like a minute before I got off, I was saying like watch this pop back up to 217, short it. So I did take that pop. I did get that trade there, and Tesla actually sold off really aggressive at the end of the day. I was saying 210. I had this level here all day long. As soon as it lost 210 yesterday, this thing dropped all the way down to 200. So it dropped like $10 a share. Unfortunately, I literally did not. I was not here when all of this happened, and I like rushed home and got here. And so I think at this point, it was a little late, so I ended up catching some bounces here once I saw this triple bottom here. I think I caught maybe a bounce here and then a bounce here, but I played it tiny, tiny size. Amy Young, I played this literally with like 50 shares, 100 shares. I did not come in here to make another 500 bucks. But that is if you just cannot. God, my nose is so itchy. If you get FOMO and you just feel like you have to trade, that's fine if you need to sometimes, as long as you can control it and don't get emotional, but drop the share size and don't aim to get back what you lost. If you can't control it, Amy, I'm calling you out, then don't do it, right? Don't do it. Stay away, close it, walk away. Anyways, so I did end up adding a little bit of profit though, so I was sitting at like $600, Amy. I was sitting at like $600 and I ended up closing it yesterday at $900 on the day. So 890, 695. So solid day yesterday. Anyways, I hope some of you guys caught this. And then out of luck on my phone, literally around here, I was like, you know what? This is going back down to 210 on my phone. I was like, if this breaks 210s, this could go pretty down, far down. I bought a put on Tesla, like a YOLO play. I even sent it out on the Discord, so you guys should join the Discord and be active on the Discord. Anyways, I was like, dude, I'm buying a YOLO put on Tesla, swinging until tomorrow, watching for this level 210 to break. I got it right here. I paid $350 for it. And I kid you not, I got super lucky. I closed it right here. I was like, I'm swinging this thing. I was like, I'm swinging, I'm swinging. And I was like, oh my god, I am not swinging this thing. Like, this thing was dropped like $10 from where I had gotten it. So at that point, I was like, I'm closing this thing. I closed it at like 680, 690, like almost $700. So $300 turned it into like $700 right there. But that doesn't happen often. That was a crazy move. Just somehow got all of it, and I was like, yeah, I'm not swinging this thing. So, and honestly, this is not the. Oh, actually, $200 is right here. I didn't think of that. This thing, I thought this thing was gonna gap down. So it's a little bit surprising already that it didn't gap down. I think a lot of people were swinging a lot of stuff short for the gap down, and we didn't get it. Good morning, Zach. I don't know if I said good morning, Zach. Hanish, Blair. Good morning, Blair. Juan and chat. I took just one. It was a YOLO play. I wasn't gonna take that aggressively. I was like, because it was for today, expression of today. So I knew if I was wrong, time decay would have just destroyed that put option, and I would have lost $350 like this. That is why I do not recommend options if you if you're not experienced trader or don't even understand them, because you will lose against time decay, and you will lose most of your put. So I don't know about penny stocks today. I see a couple. How many? Yeah, yeah, it was just one. I bet it was $350, and I took out 700. So, or I mean, I guess I made 300, $400 profit, but I turned it into 700. That was straight luck though. Like it was from my phone. I was like 210 level. Go in there again. Might break it. Let me just buy a YOLO play, swing it for tomorrow. And then I looked later on. I was like, oh my god, this thing is down to 203, 204. What's the forecast for today? Market still flushing. I hope I hope we do. I would like a push back up. Anyways, let me go over small caps real quick. IBIO, no locate shares on this one. I don't have anything, but this one on the daily looks pretty good. You got that flat top at 153 on the daily. If you keep holding 193, this one can come back up, maybe reclaim, a couple of these levels here. VWAP 1.8, and then you could get that move up to $2 new high of day. Another small cap, INZY. Keep an eye on this one. This one had that sell-off day and then kind of just came right back up. If we reclaim this 306 level here, which was a daily level, kind of like $3, but if we reclaim 306 and start holding, this one could make a move. DraftKings is up for some reason. Oh, I guess earnings. So, and it looks a little bit extended on the daily. I'd be a little, not that extended, but for a stock like this that's gonna trade sideways, this is not gonna break out and go to 25 bucks. So be a little cautious with that. Now, as far as overall market, we did not gap down as much as I thought we would. I think it's because Tesla sold off a lot yesterday. I mean, all of them sold off a lot, but like if this would have gone down 206, close around there, I think we would have seen the gap down to 200. But since we went straight down to 196 after hours, we're gonna resume at $200. So I hope today at least is a little bit of a sell-off day, or tries to pop up to 210 area again. If we get a pop-up Tesla, which is a lot, I don't think we're gonna get it. Then we can get the move back down. I don't know that we're gonna sell off right back down to 190s. I don't know. I don't think so. I think this stock held too much for it to flush down that hard and just go straight down. It could. So I'm still gonna be looking short. I'm still bearish, but kind of like bearish. I mean, kind of like yesterday. Let's see if we get the pop up like here, and then try shorting shorty. So yesterday I was really shorting against 215. I got squeezed a little bit there, but I still made my profit, and then finally got to move back down. Today, let's see if we get a little bit of the same thing, kind of try to pop up a little bit. Few lines I have, just keeping it simple today. I don't see anything outside of this because we sold off. All of my lines were up 210, 214, 215. Right now, I see this 202 level. If we get over 202, reclaim 202. Let's see if we get a move back up 205. $200 is going to be right in the middle, so I'm not even going to say if we hold 200, let's go down. If we don't hold 200, let's go up, or vice versa. I set that backwards. Anyways, because 200 is right there. We're going to chop around 200 a lot. And then the next level is 196. This random spike was also coincidence with another spike on the daily another day. I looked back at it. And so if we get under that level, I did draw another level underneath that I would be aiming for, 192, which is kind of a $4 gap there. Not necessarily a gap, but like a zone that I think could drop to. So there's that. Overall market, SPY looked like it was bull flagging, got instantly reversed yesterday, so I could see the move down. This 408 level on SPY was pretty strong. 408, 408 like 13-ish. 408.13 on SPY was pretty strong. If you pop 408.13, you could catch some shorts there. Oh, that's even the low of yesterday too, kind of around that area, that 408.13. Same thing I'm looking at. I do kind of want to see. I'm gonna see how I get on my first trades, but I kind of want to see. I hit my weekly goal right now. I'm trying to aim for 3K plus on the week, and I'm already sitting that. If I get a good couple trades and I get up, six, $700, $500, I might try to just go and get a wild card Friday, like I was saying earlier, and see how much I can push it today. If I give it all back and go break even or go small red, then maybe that'll be fine. I'm still up 3K on the week. If not, maybe I can get a nice decent gain. But it's gonna come down to Tesla. If Tesla chops around, I might not be able to do that. So either way, welcome everybody coming in. Hopefully you guys are coming in from the TikTok stream. Since I did not do TikTok, guys might have realized that, so you guys came over to YouTube. Maybe that'll be a little easier to manage, even though I always forget about my TikTok stream. Welcome SDT99. And Monday is a holiday, right? So today is going to be the last day before we get a 3-day weekend. It is Friday. Don't expect too much. Last Fridays were kind of slow in penny stocks, I believe. And so far, the gappers look pretty weak. So, anyways, market opens here in about a minute. I keep checking my phone now, thinking I need to check chat, but I don't. I did mark some levels on NQ as well, just because NQ will follow what Tesla will follow what NQ does. Um, and same thing, to me it looks like it needs a little bit of a pop up to retest some levels, but if we don't, we could go straight down to like 12,300, which if we do get that low, then Tesla will keep selling off. How about EBIO? 153 daily level. If we keep holding 153, it looks strong. I would like it over 1.8 at least. Holding 1.8, maybe get a flag around 1.8. Looking for the break of 2. Looking for the break of high a day. Good morning, amazing traders. Good morning, trader CFA. Got 15 minutes till market opens here. Like I said, I'm just gonna see what Tesla wants to do. Let's see if we stay really heavy. Hopefully, I can tell what the tape wants to do, because sometimes you can tell, oh, this stock is just so heavy today. So, morning, Rome C. I got this level up here, 202. We got 200 right here, and then down low, we got kind of that 196. You do see a lot of bottoming tails around this 199 as well. If we lose this 199, we could go straight down to that 196 again. I'm going to try to not take a trade in the first 2-3 minutes, so I'm going to let it settle. NQ is already flushing down. The penny stocks look pretty slow so far, and I don't really see much. IBIO didn't even move out of the gates on that first minute, so morning everybody. If you guys are just now joining, Tesla trying to pop a little bit. I could see a little push up, but yesterday sold off pretty aggressively. It just could not catch a bounce this whole move down there. So little flat top here. This is where we were closing kind of yesterday. If we start rejecting here, we could see the move back on down. But if we start holding this level, we could see the pop back up to 06 maybe. So keeping the 5-minute chart from yesterday here. This is yesterday's high. Yesterday's low. Kind of closing low where we kind of consolidated at the end of the day after that big sell-off. So we could see a lot of rejection here. I'm watching Tesla still trying to close above 202. Might be a little strong closing above 202. It looks like it wants to pop a little bit more still, so no trades yet. IBIO flushing. Tesla trying to pop up a little bit still. I could see this maybe up consolidate around 204-ish, maybe if we get that high, unless we just cannot get out of this level here. Already got stuff there again, that same level there. If this doesn't want to push to new highs, I might take a short here, see if we get to wash through VWAP. Never mind, first red trade already. A little pop there, a little pop there. I was trying to short against that. But if it's not holding, I'll follow it back down again. I forgot that when it has like super big range days, like yesterday selling off that much, it starts trading faster. So here you're gonna get dollar moves a lot faster than when we were just trading up there at 216, 15, because of just the range of it. You're gonna go $3 so fast. So even a small position on Tesla and these days here, you will get dollar moves real quick. So that's why I took $300. Oh, I took 400 too. Dang, so even more. That's why I'm down almost 400 bucks already. Taking money, small win on INZY pop. I do see a lot of resistance yesterday at that 204, 47, 50s level on Tesla. So I'm going to watch that 204.50 right here. This is where we tried popping yesterday on that bounce and cannot get over this level, so let's just watch it. So far, Tesla's pretty strong out of the gates. SPY is pushing, NQ's pushing. INZY had a little pop, a little stuff. IBIO doing nothing. I don't see a lot of selling pressure on Tesla still, so honestly, 202.04 could be a support. This could keep running. IBIO, I didn't even have locates on this thing, so I couldn't even short it. Okay, Tesla pushing down here. Let's see if we hold that 202 level or we or sell off. NQ's selling off a little bit. NQ looks like it wants to flush down through VWAP now. Same thing with SPY. All of them just kind of reverse, trying to push down lower. So if this keeps happening, I'm going to look at this level on Tesla to hold and then take the short again. This 204.51 is a bounce yesterday where we cannot catch a bounce after this stock spiked. After this stock flushed, this is the level where we got stuck at. NQ is going through VWAP. Tesla's not yet. SPY is doing the same thing. Tesla's not yet. Tech and Money, small win on Tesla. Good job, good job. I'd like it under this 202 level here. NQ is really starting off. Tesla's and SPY, they're both under VWAP. Tesla's not yet. I'm looking for I don't know. I don't think this pop on Tesla is gonna rip to high. So I took a small short there, trying to get the fluster VWAP. NQ and Spire both under VWAP. So, but this looks like it wants to go, even though the other stocks are not doing the same thing. I'm down $300 on the day, first trade, and then I made some back. I made like $60 back, so not much. If we do lose this 20204 though, I could see the move down to 200. So a $2 move there. After 20204, we could see the move down to 200 on Tesla, pretty clean, hopefully. So that's a $2 move. Even if we don't get a clean retest, this might be one you can chase a little bit from 2024. This level VWAP right there, this level from pre-market, we could go down straight to that even $200. So that would be a nice trade if we get it here. So this candle's about to close here. I can't tell if my stream stopped or not, so that's why I got a little distracted there. Man, NQ is selling off and SPY is too, but Tesla is not. Straight down to 200, hopefully. So, that was a little iffy. A mom is strong. So, a little discrepancy here. SPY and NQ dropped there, and Tesla did not at all. So, I was in some short there. Took some at profit looking for the move down to 200, and just did not happen. So, Fat G, good morning, man. I was trying to look for some shorts on IBIO, but didn't have any locates on that one. Yeah, Tesla's showing strength today, even though the other stocks are even though the other stocks are still dropping. SPY is selling off, NQ selling off. Tesla is still holding up, so I might be looking for a long, see if we break that high now. A lot of shorts tried getting this move here like me. Let's see if we get this move back up to this 204. $20 left on this candle. If this candle closes strong, let's see if we get a little pullback. Let's see if we get the run up to 204 still. So adding here some Tesla long. See if we get a high day spike. I'm in some Tesla long here. See if we can get the break to high a day, but never mind. This is what I was afraid Tesla was gonna do today. Just chop around like this. After a big sell-off yesterday, it just I had a feeling it would just chop around. Right now I'm down 400, which is not bad. For getting chopped around, down 400, so I'll take that. But I know if I could just get one good trade out of here, I can make that back and go positive. But look at NQ and look at SPY, and then look at Tesla. It doesn't make sense. The only possible trades right now is if we break out of the zone, I'm looking for 200 to the downside, and then to the top side, I'm looking for 204.50s. So again, this looks like wants to break down, but you know what? Maybe it doesn't. I'm not gonna add long though, but SPY and Enki are really selling off now, so I really don't see how Tesla is not pushing down lower. Do we actually get this move down under 200 now? Looking for this move down to 200 on Tesla. Finally I got it, but the one time I jumped in small size. Could get a nice continuation here through 200, so I'm looking. I'm still here short on Tesla. Didn't cover anything there, but this is holding up way nicer than everything else. Tesla moves however it wants. For real, yeah. Sometimes when I see days like this, I tell myself maybe I should just stop looking at NQ and SPY, because look at NQ. I don't know if you guys look at NQ on a regular basis, but that thing is like free falling right now. But we also know psychological $200 is going to be strong, so I'm going to take these extra 30 bucks of profit. It was scanner earlier and up 20 cents with no volume, no news. AQ, is that a ticker? I could see another push down on Tesla again. Try to get that break of 200 this time, but I would take the retest up here higher. Although volume picked up down there, so I'm a little iffy on it. So I did add there again for the break of 200 on that tiny spike. Now I really want this one to sell off here. For the break of 200, I'll take 50 shares out. I'm trading the small size today as I cannot get a direction. Okay, so here we go. It's break of 200. I do want to keep on running here finally. This is a weakness that I was looking for now. So there we go. There we go. Keep selling. Taking a little bit more off. 100 shares left. Down 100 bucks on the day now. It's down 400, so I'm making some back, but still in the red. And still not picking a direction here. Iffy day. Even, oh, INZY is trying to pop back up. 306 level on IN. Could get a continuation here on Tesla. I'm convinced Tesla does not want to go down. Rosie calling out you. Oh, you already came and gone. And then, I mean, I'm still watching Tesla. There's a lot of support down here on this 5 minute chart from pre-market. Every little spike down here on Tesla this morning got eaten up here under 200. So if Tesla wants to keep holding 200, we're gonna get a reversal here pretty soon. J Hart 700 on Tesla today. Dang, good stuff, man. I am red 200 and it's being choppy, so congratulations on 700. Uh, Patrick up 200 short meta. There we go. There we go. Yeah, sometimes I get chopped around, and today I'm down 200 bucks. But I'm glad I'm down 200 bucks on a day like today because I really cannot. I can't get a single good trade in here. The first one was red 400, and then I kind of been chipping at it, but haven't found a good trade on it. So congratulations to you guys that are green on it. A little slow of a day. Even penny stocks are slow. So mentioned it is Friday. NQ is selling off and Tesla's not. So that's the only thing that I don't understand. If I look at NQ and SPY, they're all straight down, and Tesla's just holding here. So Tesla rejected yesterday's low almost perfectly. See, Tesla's popping up 1.2 on Tesla, sitting on my hands now. Want you to hit. What move did you hit? Bill, the guy's up 1.2 on Tesla today already. Dang, good stuff, Bill the guy. Again, you killing it. I swear, some of you guys are gonna replace me eventually. You guys need to be the ones streaming. You guys need to be the ones showing the P&Ls. Heh. Rode the opening, super tight stops. What is the ticker? You keep mentioning something with AQ. NQ. So /NQ. Tesla pretty strong off that 200, so let's see if we get a push through view up now. Unless the sales right back on down, but it did not want to earlier, so I could see maybe this thing wants to go through view up, but I'm going to wait a little bit. Actually, the 5 minute chart still looks like a bear flag, but the thing is, when it doesn't trade cleanly, I cannot see the... Oh, and I bumped my share size right there, not meaning to. Jeez, man. I'm down 800 bucks. I could not get a move at all there. Couple more strikes and I am out. And I go out. The thing when it goes sideways is I fall into a scalp mode and I cannot find the big trade. And then I just take small reds, small reds, small reds, small reds, which is okay. I mean, sometimes I can handle it and I can add those small reds to be small greens, but not today. And this happens every once in a while, you know. If I have another small red day, I'll be okay. I just don't want to make this a big red day, so I'm trying to chip at it right now, see if I get one last good trade or something like this here. This is about to squeeze a few shorts here, I think. Scandal's about to close. Holds VWAP. This thing might shoot up like crazy here. Well, I hate when it shoots up like that because I can't add. You don't always get retests on this stock, and it's kind of frustrating sometimes. But this is actually pushing up a little bit now. Doing a nice little reversal here, so. Again, now I'd be looking for small dips here and see if we can get the high a day. I was down IBIO. Okay, IBIO is coming back. IBIO sets up a nice flag. You could be looking at high a day already. So here I'm looking for dips on Tesla. Look at that increasing volume on these green candles here. Let's see if we can get some nice dips, retest this area down here, and let's see if we can get this stock to get new highs. Let me look at IBIO. Builder, I really want to know what trade you rode the open here. You made 1K on this opening push here. Builder guy, that was crazy. I'm gonna get out of that trade. So I'm now down 500. I was down 400, but it's okay. Fat G, you dump and pump and dump scan shorted it. Yeah, IVIO. I don't have locates. Otherwise, I would be looking to short that one. Tesla still any spot pops down here. I stare at SPY while trading Tesla. It's not perfect, but better than the average. Yeah, it's pretty similar to NQ, but they didn't do the same thing at all. All today, Tesla and SPY were opposites. OQ potential OCUL. Uh, Let me put INZY if you guys are watching that one. A lot of topping wicks, so looks like okay. I see OCUL. It really is a pretty slow day. I even feel like my stream is being pretty boring today. For one, I'm down 500 bucks. Look at this super low volumes here on Tesla on this tiny little flag here. We could get a break out of here, but I'm looking for the lower fill. See if I can get an ad down here. Hopefully it doesn't squeeze without me. Taking the flag small size, yeah, I thought about it too here, but I wanted a smaller ad here and I would have gone a little bigger. Look at this volume decreasing as all of these candles form right here, but super choppy today. Down 500, which is really great. Probably even my smallest day in general, even if it was a green day. Now, if this does not want to break out and makes another stuff here, then I would look for this thing to kind of hold like that and then move back on down. But let's see if we get the break here. So you can see that thing does not want to break out right there. Little flat top there as well. I couldn't see the ask, but little flat top right here. Pretty even at 203.42. Yeah, I don't trust the volume. I don't trust this whole move at all. I don't trust Tesla today at all. So I'm honestly in kind of scalp mode today. Try to chip at this away and see if I can decrease it. Um, and I might call it and just still like a 3K week. Well, actually, if I get this to break even, so I'll be happy with that. Tesla cannot break out here. Look at this, and volume is not increasing, so I might take some shorts against that level. If it breaks out, I'm out. Of course, it's gonna break out. Oh my god. Wow. Looking for high day? Does this get high day? That broke out so strong. And holding. High day break. This could get a little bit of a squeeze here. Looking for a high day break. See if I get one more squeeze on Tesla. If not, I'm down 700 right now, so I gotta be careful. But this candle here is pulling down with low volume. As soon as I took that short, this thing literally squeezed like crazy through that flat top over there. And I'm about to add to the red. Holy crap, man! Is there a bounce here? I could still see a 1x flag using this previous pivot. This is where buyers were, so where the hell go now? For a high, they break. But no way, dude. No way, man. What a choppy day that I shouldn't have done this, dude. What a chop fest day. If I take one more red trade, I'm out. I cannot have a big day like this. I was keeping it super small, and now I'm sitting at 1.5k red day. That's decently red, so cancels out a good green day. So if I take one more red trade, I'm out. This just cannot sell off. So I made back like 200 bucks there. A little frustrating so far. Little frustrating day, down 1.2 on the day. I've lost a lot of money over trading. Yeah, I know. I'll keep it slow. You can see I didn't jump in full size on that. I took out 200 bucks. If I get it under 1,000, I might be happy with that. But tough day. Chop fest everywhere. First of all, we had a discrepancy with NQ. So, no other communities but Electric guys. We have multiple successful streamers all live streaming their trades for you to watch right now. What was I saying? NQ sold off all morning, and Tesla could not. And Tesla was holding, so I was short a couple of those pops and just couldn't go. And short 200, couldn't go. And so a little bit iffy there. And then look at it, right back up. Now we have gotten a breakout of this level, so if we come up here again, we might get a breakout of 204.50s, and we might actually run. This level, this will be the third time we come up to touch this level, so let's see. 204.50s on Tesla. Unless this is going to stuff like that. Look at that. How's everybody doing on YouTube and Tradecaster? I know Build a Guy is up a lot. I know some of you guys also got chopped up a little bit on Tesla. I know I am right now, so I'm down 1.2 on the day. I gave it right back. Look at that. Small green for taking money. Typical Friday choppy. Taking money. Yeah, pushing wire. Friday's choppy. I honestly might call it, guys. I'm down 1.4. I might try to scalp it a few more, but I'm not gonna make this a bad red day. So look how choppy this is. The only trade I would look for is if we get over this level here. Look how flat this is right here. If we get over this level and hold it, I'm looking for 204, and then that break here, maybe we could get a nice run. If I just take one nice breakout trade, big size here, I could get it. Um, if I don't get the breakout here, then I'm looking for the sell-off again continued. But this is so choppy. Even NQ and SPY are not choppy. It's just Tesla. So just going straight sideways today. And I recognized it. My mistake today was recognizing that Tesla was choppy today. And I told myself, yeah, I'm just going to scalp it. Yeah, I'm just going to scalp it. And I scalped it, but it was red day behind red trade. So look at this tight range. For for 20 minutes, we've been in this range right here. One lost seven. Ross lost 7K. I saw he's on like 4 or 5 red days in a row. I was like, that's weird. He doesn't have red days like that often. So you think it's gonna sell off there, and then boom, pops right back up. I'm not touching that. It looks weak for a morning push. It should have blasted off. Short this if it gets to 205 and looks weak. Oh, well, here it goes now. The thing is, I'm already down 1.4 on the day, which kind of sucks. You know, how is it that I can add losers so quick and add up to 1.4 when my winners like take so long? Then again, when I do get those days, that's what I was talking about. Like today, I was like, oh, if I get green early today, I'm gonna try to keep doing this and see if I can get it higher. But look at this holding still. It's usually I think it's because I get up $1,000 and then I play super scared and then I don't. Uh, this to me, how does it not hitting a new low right there? What? I'm out. I'm done for the day. Wait, hold on. Unless we get the 204 break. But there's no way. Like, there's just no way. Unless I get over this and get the break of 204.50, that's my last trade. If not, I'm out. I'm a little bit upset. I'm a little bit frustrated. I am down. I would say this is a big red day right now. 1.7K is pretty big. You know, that's one good day and half of a okay day. But I just could not. And it literally went straight there. That means that somebody's still having either huge orders here or they're stopping it right there. I'm not going to chase this stupidly. I need to see it close above this level, and I'm looking for 204.50 break. This just straight up rubber banded straight up. Like from here, it looked like it. So many sellers, and then just straight up shot up. NQ is pushing, SPY is ripping, and now Tesla can't push. Oh my god, this 203.41 level is annoying. And then now that I think about it, the other day that I took a loss on Tesla, it was a day that I was super choppy as well. Like it did. Tesla must have dark pool because I see anything large there. It did the exact same thing. It chopped around for like 2 hours sideways, and I could not get anything going. I couldn't. It was a red trade, red trade, red trade, red trade, red trade. I can't chase this like this. I need to close. SPY is ripping, NQ's ripping. I need this 204.50 break to just make some money back and call it a day. Wow. Wow. This is when I want to rip my monitor. I'm out, guys. I'm done. I'm not trading today. I'm going to import this, and I just went from a 3K week to a 1K week. Gosh, that is so frustrating, man. Ah, I'm out, guys. I'm not trading one more stock today. I get frustrated too, so. Ah, that's so dumb. Import my trade, man. Well, good thing I have a 3-day weekend because that was upsetting. Oh my god. Tough loss there. I made it 1K this week. Yeah, I'm walking away. I'm not trading anymore today, so I'm gonna leave it at that. I don't care if it's a big loss or not. Well, I mean it's okay. I'm trying to step in my share size. 2K is fine, but the thing is, this is a big loss compared to the size that I took. I did not scale up, so I took loss behind loss behind loss behind loss. Like I'm gonna go back and see how many trades I took and were winning trades and how many were losing trades. But today was pretty bad trading on my end. So I mean at least I'm green on the week, but that is really upsetting. I shouldn't have given back that much. I should have called it. Well, I guess I wouldn't say I should have called it earlier because I was maybe at the least down 400 bucks. I wasn't just gonna call it there in the first 5-10 minutes. But anyways, guys, I'm out. You guys take care. You guys have a good one. If it's a chop fest like this and you're crazy, you're getting chopped around, just call it a day. I'll see you guys on Tuesday as Monday is a holiday, so no trading on Monday. You guys take care. Have a good one. Appreciate it.